Hi, welcome back to the Python exercise series. In this lesson, I'm going to solve another exercise wherein we will be taking the user input character and will verify whether that input character is a vowel or a consonant. So therefore, we will start writing the program with the user input. This is the very first thing we need to do, and we will tell user that enter the character. So let us say that enter the alphabet, and now we need to create the vowel list which will contain all the vowels that we have, and I have already created the list of vowels. Now what we will do is we will check whether this input character exists in this vowel list. Now you can see that I have mentioned all the vowels in lower and uppercase. So user can input character in the uppercase and maybe he can enter the character in the lowercase. Therefore, I have created the list which contains all the vowels in upper and lower case. Now we can see if user input is inside this vowel list or not. If that character exists in this vowel list, we can say that the input alphabet is a vowel. If that input does not exist in this list, then it is a consonant. Alright. Now I'm going to execute this program. Let us pass A. It says that it is a vowel. Let's execute it once again with I in the uppercase. Press enter. It says that this input is a vowel. Now I'm going to pass Y. It says that it's a consonant. Now we can improvise this program by removing these uppercase vowels. Now user can input the character in the uppercase or lowercase. So what we will do is we will turn the case down to the lowercase with the help of lower method. Now whatever input the user gives us, that will be converted to the lowercase if it is the alphabet. Once it is converted to the lowercase, we will then verify whether it is there inside this list or not. Accordingly, we can give the outcome. So this code is also running. Let's press enter, and now we can execute this program. I'm going to pass A in lowercase. It's a vowel, absolutely correct. Now I'm going to pass E in the uppercase. It says that it is a vowel, absolutely fine. And now I'm going to pass Z in lowercase. So it says that it is a consonant.